So just very simple things, like everybody is sitting here. Nothing, we have stopped laughing. We have stopped living. Just think, when was the last time you all laughed? हमको याद नहीं होगा. और अगर मैं अभी आप सबको हंसाऊं, आप कहोगे आचार्य जी का हो गया, खिसक गई हैं. लेकिन अभी मैं कह दूं मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस में हूं, you will say, हाँ, she is in stress. So we have generalized stress rather than laughing. तो एक बार हंस लेते हैं यहाँ पे हम सब. दोनों हाथ को खोल लीजिए, पेट को ढीला छोड़ दीजिए, and this will bring instant glow to your face, and this will, help you in having more oxygen in your body, and you will start looking beautiful after this, and you will start living in the present moment. So just raise your hands, leave your abdomen loose, leave your chest loose. 1, 2. This is such a simple practice. Everybody can do it.
And you've suddenly enlivened the audience.